How to create a zip folder with password. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly select any one of the folder which you want to convert into zip file with the password. Right click on it, simply go to show more options. Then after you will see other menu, simply go to WinRAR. After that, go to add to archive. Then after you will see a window on your screen related to the file. After that, now in this screen you need to choose the archive format to zip and click on set password. After that, enter your password for twice to confirm and click on OK. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to create a zip folder with password. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.